Hello everyone, this is Emma from HOMY shop. Today I'm going to introduce the best-selling aroma humidifier in our shop. This is an English menu. It's very detailed. As you can see, it's really well packed. There's no need to worry about the long-distance transportation. Actually, we have this in FBA warehouse. It's a big hit in our shop because of its luxurious design and large 1,500 ml capacity. Usually, we don't suggest filling the tank that full. The height is 9.4 inch and the diameter is 5.9 inch. The weight is about 2.2 pounds. And this is the water level window. Because of its large water tank, you don't have to fill up the water every day. That's one thing I like about this humidifier because I'm lazy. It can last for 8 to 15 hours. It depends on how much water you add and which mode you choose. I also like its smart touch button. It's so modern and convenient. We sell all kinds of oil diffusers and humidifiers in our shop, but I have never seen one pump out a huge fountain of mist like this one. Now I'm going to show you how to use. Open the top and add tap water in. You can choose to add essential oil in the tank or here. Connect the power and the buzzer beeps means standby mode. Blue indicator light is high mist continuous mode. As you can see, it's really like a fountain, and you can feel it with your hand. It's really cool mist. It's just like AC. Touch the button again, it's green indicator light. This is low mist continuous mode. Touch the button for the third time, it's red indicator light. It's intermittent mist mode, works 20 seconds and stops 20 seconds. You can see the water clearly from the water level window. The fourth touch is to turn off the mist. The light keeps on. No matter what mode is, long press 3 seconds is to turn on or turn off the light. When the tank is lack of water, there's a safe design. It will auto shut off. The buzzer will beep 3 times. And the red and green indicator lights and the lamp flash 3 times. Then the humidifier comes into standby mode. If you want to continue to use, please cut off the power and fill the water again and restart. Thank you for your time. If you are interested in this humidifier, you can copy the link below. I will keep uploading product videos. If you are interested, you can follow me on YouTube or Facebook. See you next time. Have a nice day.